So I'm laying here in bed with my dog Ruby. She is out cold. And she's snoring. She's out cold. Laying on her back, curled up next to me, out cold. And she keeps snoring. Gotta love it.